Double solid yellow lines in North America tell you that you can't pass. However, in big cities, double parked cars and other obstructions are common occurrence. Today, we're going to give you the correct procedure to both get around the obstruction and to be successful in passing your driver's test. Stick around, we'll be right back with that information. As I say, and Sam echoes the same thing, your job is to demonstrate that you have due care and control of the car in changing traffic conditions.
Yeah.
And this is where you got to change lanes. You got to signal, mirror signal, shoulder check.
And it's okay to go over the solid lines when you see vehicles like this. Yeah. Let's make a right. All right.
And police and emergency vehicles.
Yes.
Yeah, and buses parked here and vehicles coming at you, you have to slow down and give way. And this is very much about, you know, what we say all the time.
Let's make a left.
You can be right or you can be dead right.
Exactly.
You might have the right of way, but and you know, driving in the city, you and I talked about this before.
Yes.
Sometimes you got to be a little aggressive, but at other times you got to give it up too.
Yeah. Awesome. We'll go straight down. Oh boy, now we can. There you go. All right, awesome. Yeah. And at the straight down at the traffic light, we'll make a right turn.
Hang on there one sec. The thought of failing your driver's test is what keeps you up at night right now. Click the link over here. Check out the Smarter Driver course package that guarantees that you will pass your driver's test first time. Click the link and check that out. And have a great day. All the best. Bye now.